Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Edge, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm just gonna use the app tray right here. Once you have it open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You'll get this animation. You can also make it scrollable by tapping on right here. As you can see, it reaches at the bottom of the page and automatically ends. From there you can tap on it and just get rid of these. As you can see, once you tap on it, it shows you the entire scrollable screenshot, and you can save it. Let's allow, and it basically saved a scrollable screenshot. So that is one way you can capture it, and the other way is a little bit less convenient, but you hold the power key and then press on the screenshot. And the same options appear, so you can make it scrollable, you can edit here, share it, delete it. Now both of the screenshots that I have captured can be found in the photo gallery, so let's open that up. And let's go to library and screenshots, and there we go. As you can see, there is one screenshot and then there is the other one. Now it normally would be something like this. As you can see, it is scrollable. There we go. So yeah, that is the scrollable one. But that is how you would capture screenshots. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.